Hey, what's up, Reef Finance holders? So this is very of the big mistake to holders doing in this mistake exactly, and they're completely in the loss. And the end of year, they are starting crying. Absolutely, they kill himself, my brother. So therefore, I will tell you, my brother, to what you do and this time, and don't do this mistake. Otherwise, they will make you, my friends, very poor man, my brother. So let's get start. Let's get started this video. But kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request to kindly subscribe this channel, my brother. Not big update is available refinance in this time, but you can see the price in the change acre update is also in the screen, my brother. Minus 1.21% in the last 1 hour. You can see they falls down, and if you can see the price is 0.03 USD dollar. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time the price is going to be very increased now, and this time you can see they're completely in the loss. So let's see, my brother, the last 24-hour chart to what's going on in the last 24-hour chart. Then we understand, my brother, there is chances to they will wake up and they will give you a profit or not, my brother. Kindly try to understand, my friend, what I tell you. This time refinance is absolutely, my friend, massive jump occurs, especially in this time. But don't see, my friend, this short jump, this short fell, because you can see after a very huge jump they fell down completely. So therefore I think they are just only, my friends, waste time, my brother. So refinance one of the fastest coins everybody try to understand, and absolutely, my friend, in the current condition it's completely going to be very good, my brother, because this is very good news for me, my brother. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and make sure to subscribe this channel. Let's really get this coin to what's going on in this time, and absolutely, my friends, they will give you a profit or not, my friend, at the end of month. Let's see, my brother. Kindly all holders try to understand what I talk you. Absolutely, this is will be going to be very important, my brother. You can see here this time, my brother, the refinance one of the fastest coin. This time you can see here the last 24 hours they also fails down. So it's mean to they are in the fails and they cannot start moving anywhere, my brother. So kindly you need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.